Hi guys, today we are working on showing more and telling less. So what we want to do is draft a real narrative experience using imagery. Some of you have written some experiences with your person or your pet, and you are just telling me a lot. So today we're going to focus on that imagery, being there without being there. So I have decided that I will write about my little baby Allie. So Allie loves to laugh. She smiles whenever I pick her up from her crib in the mornings. So by using this sentence, these two small sentences can actually become very seed moments. I am going to switch them, and instead of Ellie loves to laugh, which is telling but not showing, I can change it to Ellie's mouth enlarges from side to side whenever she sees me. So instead of saying loves to laugh, I'm actually kind of explaining the laugh, right? I'm saying that her mouth enlarges or her lips stretch. I could also say that. Maybe that would be a better Ellie's lips stretch from side to side. No, I already had that. Whenever she sees me. So you see how I'm not showing you? Now I have to think about if the lips stretch. Oh, she must be, and they're side to side, that she must be laughing. So now I'm showing more than I'm telling. So I can use my draft, what I had before, and change it into something that tells me a little more. I'm even using more words, which makes my writing even better. She smiles whenever I pick her up. So Ellie's lips stretch from side to side whenever she sees me. Now she smiles. I already said that by saying that her lips stretch. So I now need to kind of focus on whenever I pick her up from her crib. So when she sees me, I can then say coming to the side, coming and standing tall to her side. Okay, so maybe instead of saying in the morning, so I might keep a few things. Standing to the side of her crib, I might just keep that. Instead of in the mornings, I might just pick that word and kind of blow it up, make that seed moment. So notice that I'm picking a few things and I'm editing as I go along because I want to show. You kind of have to tell a little bit, but the main point here is that you're also showing. So instead of saying that she smiled, I'm actually telling you what the action looked like. And it's really easy to show when you have verbs. So smiling, running, stretching the legs from side to side, flying through the road. That tells me that you're running, right? So when you have a verb and action, those are the words that you can pick and really easily make into your showing moments that you describe. So instead of saying running, eating, laughing, smiling, actually describe those moments, those verbs. And certain words like mornings, well, how does the morning look like? Obviously, the sun is coming out, so now it's morning, right? So tall towards the side of her crib when the sun comes, when the sun, when the sun comes up early in the day. So now you know it's early in the day and the sun has come up, so you know it's morning. Very easily, I changed my two sentences into a really nice sentence that explains what is happening, but it also gives me that imagery. It makes me think. It's almost like my writing is taking you to a different place, and that's what you want. You want your writing to take you to a different place. So make sure that during your narrative, you're showing more and telling less so that you can make those those paragraphs really rich. Today, you're only focusing on changing one of your paragraphs into a showing moment. So make sure that even though you're telling me things here and there, you're actually blowing up some of those keywords, your verbs, or words that are easily describable, and then putting them into that into those into those moments in your writing. Okay, so make sure that you're doing that.